What's up guys? Thanks for joining us on Exploratory Glory. Today we're taking you on a virtual journey through the stunning yellow city of Izamal, Mexico. It's our second day here in Izamal, and last night we did a Kalesa ride, and now we're going to be doing a little walking tour through the city during the day. One of the highlights of Izamal is the impressive Franciscan monastery, the Convento de San Antonio de Padua. And in my last video, I showed the facade, and this is actually the backside of the monastery. And it's kind of a testament to the Spanish rule and the destruction of an amazing culture.
Dejaste sin nadie que amar. Yo no lloro ni voy a llorar. Sé que un día me vas a dejar.
There were plenty of amazing places to shop in Izamal, but one place that stood out to us was El Zaguan. And it's essentially an artisan's market that doubles as a coffee shop, and everything in the shop is locally made. The building itself is from the 1800s and was passed down from generation to generation.
Si un día te vuelvo a ver.
And if this wasn't one of the coolest coffee shops you've ever seen already, you walk outside and you're at the base of a Mayan pyramid.
Me dejaste sin nadie que amar. Yo no lloro ni voy a llorar. Sé que un día me vas a dejar.
Oh, computer school. Izamal is well known for its strong Mayan heritage. Visitors will have the opportunity to witness traditional Mayan ceremonies and even climb to the top of ancient Mayan pyramids. And in Izamal, you'll hear just as much Mayan Yucatec language as you will Spanish. And many of the women will be wearing traditional ipil dresses like the one you see here. Unfortunately, on this day, we couldn't climb the pyramid because we were meeting up with our Airbnb host to have a few drinks, so we figured we'd save it for the next day. So to finish off our day, we did the most Mexican thing we could think of. Watch a football game with a guy from Texas.